This week in my kitchen I have made sweet potato patties. They're simple, easy, very versatile. You can have them hot, cold. They make an excellent lunchbox snack, an excellent hiking snack. They can go in the freezer so you can batch make them as well, and they serve nicely as part of a main meal or lunch. So let me show you how easy they are to make. And please remember to subscribe to my channel, give us a thumbs up and a little comment. It's really helpful for me and I really appreciate it. So the first thing you want to do is cook your sweet potatoes after you've peeled them and cook them. It probably only take about 10 minutes until you can easily pierce them with a fork, and then you want to drain them really thoroughly, and then get a can or a carton of beans. I've used kidney beans, you can use black beans, you can use chickpeas, you can use any bean for this. I kind of like kidney beans, and then it's really helpful to actually get a lot of the excess moisture off them. So strain them thoroughly and even go over them with a kitchen towel if you can as well. It doesn't matter if you squish them at this point. And the next thing you want to do is add some chopped parsley, sea salt, smoked paprika, ground coriander and onion powder. And that's it. You're going to mash it in all thoroughly. You can have some rustic chunks in there just till everything's nice and evenly combined and squishy. If you haven't got a potato masher, you could just do it with your hands, to be honest. And then you want to squish them into patties. It's going to be really soft and squishy, although hopefully you've taken a little bit of moisture out of it and drained the sweet potatoes and beans thoroughly. You can do them big, you can do them really tiny, bite size, that's completely up to you. And then you want to dunk them in the sesame seed, or you can use any ground seed or ground nut if you haven't got sesame seeds available. And then the next thing you want to do is get an oven tin and line it with parchment paper, pop them on it, preheat your oven really hot, so you're looking at 200 degrees or 220 degrees Celsius, or use an air fryer, and then pop them in the oven for about 25 minutes. And then they're cooked. You can serve them hot, you can let them cool down, you can put them in the fridge for a few days, you can have them for lunch, you can have them for dinner, you can have them for a snack. But whatever you do, enjoy, let me know how you get on, and please do give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. That really helps me. And check out my website kindearth.net for more, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.